Okay, class, let's continue our work with section 2.4. We're going to take a look at writing an equation in slope-intercept form for each graph. So for number 7, we're going to go ahead and take a look. The graph is already there for us. We can see here that the line is in fact horizontal, and we can see there that the graph of the line crosses the y-axis of 2. So right away we can say simply that y equals 2. That's how you write the equation of the horizontal line. But really, putting it in the context of y equals mx plus b, we can write y equals 0x plus 2, and probably more easily make a connection that your slope is 0 and your y-intercept b is 2. So please graph this line, and we will take a closer look at this tomorrow on the worksheet that you get back. Number 8. Again, we've got ourselves a line. It is done for you. We do also see here that the y-intercept is provided. We do know the b value here is negative 2. So that's fantastic. When we put together our equation y equals mx plus b, we'll be able to use that very quickly and easily. And we can also use the slope formula by saying y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or we could even just count. And I do like the counting approach on this because the graph is already done. So I'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 6, and then right 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go up 6 and right 4, we're looking at a slope of 6/4, which of course is reducible to 3/2. And we can actually put it all together now such that we've got y equals 3/2 x. And remember we said our y-intercept was negative 2. So there you go, y equals 3/2 x minus 2. Moving on to number 9. Number 9, again, if you could please plot the 2 points on your scratch paper there, the 2 points negative 3, 3, and 3, negative 1. We can quickly find the slope. In this case, I will actually use the formula. I'll take 3 minus negative 1, and I'll divide that by negative 3 minus 3. In this case, of course, plus a positive is what we can change the numerator to, and that then leaves us with 4 over negative 6, or negative 2/3. So please jot that down on your paper. If you go ahead and then use this slope, and then pick one of the 2 points, I'll go ahead and pick 3, negative 1, plug it into the following formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I've got plus a positive that I need to do on the first value there, so I've got y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x, and that becomes, if I distribute, a positive 2. So from here, I can simply subtract 1 from both sides, and in the end, you'll be left with y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. Moving on, it says write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that satisfies each set of conditions. We'll do number 10. The slope is negative 5, and it goes through the ordered pair negative 3, negative 8, which I'll write as x1, y1 up above. So again, if I use the form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, plugging in the appropriate values, turning my minus negatives into plus positive, I'll go ahead and distribute the negative 5, so that leaves me with y plus 8 equals negative 5x minus 15. And then from here we'll subtract 8 from both sides, in which we will then have our final answer as y equals negative 5x minus 23. We'll go ahead and finish up with number 12. And in looking at number 12, it's pretty clear here that our slope, because it's 0, and because we have the ordered pair 0, negative 10, we're able to quickly and easily say y equals, we can say 0x, and this just so happens to be the y-intercept or b value, so I'll go ahead and say 0x minus 10. Of course, we can rewrite this then as negative 10, or just y equals negative 10. And that actually looks very much like number 7. For your homework tonight, I'm going to ask that you do the remaining questions, 11, 13 through 17. And I know you don't have the worksheet, at least not everybody has the worksheet in their possession any longer, because this is actually page 26. But I'm going to ask all of you to do this on a separate piece of paper regardless. Please finish this for homework. These questions.